There's something in the universe so powerful it can devour entire stars and still be hungry for more. A black hole isn't just a void, it's a machine of destruction that distorts reality itself. And when you discover the true power they possess, you'll understand why they are the supreme predators of the cosmos. Imagine you're watching a star in the night sky. Suddenly, it begins to stretch, as if something invisible were pulling it, deforming it like a rubber band. The star screams silently in the vacuum as it's torn apart, atom by atom, and then it disappears, forever, consumed by something that not even light can escape. Welcome to the realm of black holes, where physics breaks down and reality bends. Stay until the end, because I'll show you how these cosmic monsters not only destroy, but create the most powerful energy in the universe. And what happens when they collide is terrifying. The journey into absolute darkness begins now. The death that spawns nightmares. A black hole is born from the most violent death in the universe. When a star, 30 times larger than the Sun, reaches the end of its life, it doesn't die silently. It explodes in a supernova so bright it can be seen from billions of light years away. But what remains is something far worse. The compression of hell, the core of the dead star, collapses under its own gravity. Imagine squeezing Mount Everest down to the size of a grain of sand. Now imagine squeezing the entire Sun down to the size of a city. This impossible density creates a distortion in space-time so profound that not even light can escape. It's as if the universe has a hole in reality. The supermassive giants, but black holes from dead stars, are just the babies. At the center of every galaxy lives a monster. Supermassive black holes, billions of times more massive than the Sun. Sagittarius A*. At the center of our galaxy has 4 million solar masses. But there are others much larger and hungrier. The hierarchy of terror, it's a dark hierarchy. Stellar black hole equals a local killer. Supermassive black hole equals a galactic dictator. And when they are hungry, the entire universe feels it. But now comes the most terrifying part: how they feed and the monstrous energy they release. The disk of death. When a black hole is hungry, matter doesn't fall directly into it. It forms a death disk around it. Gas, dust, planets, stars, all spiraling inward, accelerating to near light speeds. The friction heats this material to billions of degrees. The cosmic furnace, this disk, shines more brightly than billions of stars combined. A quasar, a feeding supermassive black hole, can be seen from billions of light years away. It outshines all 100 billion stars in its galaxy combined. It is the most efficient energy source in the known universe. The jets of the apocalypse, but there's something even more frightening. Some black holes shoot out plasma jets at 99.9% the speed of light. These jets extend for millions of light years, traversing entire galaxies like cosmic bullets. If one of these jets pointed at Earth, it would be the instant end of all life. The efficiency of destruction. Do you know the most disturbing part? Nuclear fusion in stars converts only 0.7% of mass into energy. A black hole converts up to 42% of mass into pure energy. It's the most efficient conversion machine physics allows. It's as if it were designed to destroy with maximum efficiency. If you are impressed by the destructive power of these cosmic monsters, subscribe to the channel now, because what comes next will show you how they distort reality itself. Hit the like button if you have the courage to face the darkest power in the universe, because what I'm about to reveal about black hole collisions will shake your understanding of reality. Bending space-time. A black hole doesn't just pull objects, it bends the very fabric of reality. Space and time curve around it like a trampoline with a bowling ball in the center. Light from distant galaxies is distorted, creating multiple ghostly images. The waves of the apocalypse, and when two black holes collide, they create the most violent ripples in space-time. Gravitational waves that travel at the speed of light, carrying more energy than all the stars in the universe combined. In 2015, we detected these waves for the first time, and it was terrifying. The dance of death to black holes orbiting each other. They dance a death spiral for millions of years. Each orbit brings them closer, until in the final seconds, bang! They merge in an explosion of energy that makes supernovas look like candles. The phantom radiation, and there's something even more sinister. Stephen Hawking discovered that black holes evaporate. They emit a ghostly radiation, slowly losing mass. But for a black hole, the size of the Sun, to evaporate completely, it would take longer than trillions of universes. They are almost eternal. And now comes the most astounding revelation about the true power of these monsters. The architects of destruction, black holes are not just destroyers, they are the architects of the universe. They control how galaxies are born, grow, and die. They decide where stars can form and where life can exist. The power over reality, the power of a black hole, isn't just energy, it's the power to rewrite the laws of physics. Near the event horizon, time almost stops. Gravity becomes infinite. Matter is compressed beyond comprehension. It's where reality breaks down. The supreme predator, ultimately black holes, are the supreme predators of the cosmos. They can devour stars, planets, entire galaxies, and when the universe is cold and dark, trillions of years in the future, they will be the only survivors, slowly evaporating into eternal darkness. The haunting reality. So, what is the power of a black hole? It is the power to distort reality. It is the most destructive and creative force in the universe. It is proof that there are things in the cosmos that transcend our comprehension. They are the dark gods of the universe, and we are just dust in their realm. If this dive into the absolute power of black holes impressed you, hit the like button so more people can awaken to the true masters of the cosmos. Share with whoever needs to know the true predators of the cosmos. See you in the next video.